Did I just pay thousands of dollars for a mistake? Previously on my natural hair to Sisterlocks journey. I have no makeup on, my nails isn't fixed. I just wanted to sit down and have a real talk about my hair journey and what I've been going through my hair. It's day one, and I arrive around 9:30ish and sit in my car to get the approval to come inside. I texted the loctician, but I am so excited at this point. I am about to get my Sisterlocks installed. I'm super duper excited. I get inside, I have my bag packed with 2 apples, a bar, and water. Looking back, I should have brought more water and food. Rookie mistake. The loctician, she seems a bit reserved, but nice. And honestly, I'm not a morning person, so it's perfect. I pick a movie and we settle in. We take a 30-minute break at this point, and the loctician went to eat, and I stretched my leg and I sneakily took this video. Like, honestly, I don't even think she minds, but it's like my second time here. Me getting my hair done. Hold on, I don't like to record and drive. At the light. Finally got it right this time. This is my 3rd time coming here, and I finally got it right. 1, 2, 3. So day 1 was yesterday, and we did about like 9:45, and we went all the way to 10:30 p.m. So we went from 9:45 to 10:30. That's like almost like 13 hours, pretty much, or 13 hours, whatever. I'm like in the neighborhood, so I'm like very slow. But hold on, I'm just gonna get somewhere. Hold on. We parked now. Yeah, I'm parked. I don't know why I'm getting this random zip, but the lighting here maybe not as good as the driving lighting, but I will fix that. Anyway, so I don't know if you can see it. I hope my screen is good. This is what we got done yesterday. We got like half my head done yesterday, as you can see, and some of the back actually. I don't know if I can show it, but and if you can see it. But we got the front and some of the back. Wanted to finish the front. She wanted to start on a section of the back, which was great. I was just like, let's do as much as we can because I want to do it in 2 days max. I know I have a lot of hair. I'm not sure. Oh. All right, whatever. I don't know what I was hearing. I think the car was because I was moving. It was like making a sound. And I really hope we get it done today. I hope we don't take as long as yesterday, but I just want to get it done today. I don't want to have to come back again tomorrow. And I'm really liking it. I love the small size of it. It's very, like, my hair is very thick, so it's thick, full density already. Like, I'm like, oh my God, halfway through, am I regretting it? No. I'm loving it. I can't wait to wear it out. I can't wait. Can't wait. The loctician styled my hair in Bantu knots, and then I took it out in the morning the next day. And I was shocked, honey. I was in tears almost. I'm scared because yes, it's thickish, but it's also so thin. And I know this is what I wanted, and like I researched it, and I have to be patient, but like how long? Because this isn't it, honey. At this point, I'm going to have to truly embrace my hair, and maybe even on a bigger scale, I feel myself, but maybe I could just put it in a bun the whole time. Deep sigh. What's your hair journey look like? Let me know in the comments. Okay.